Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we will be discussing about how to create a nested tree map. So in my previous video we have discussed about how to create a tree map, right? So if you have not watched that video, I'll just give that link in my description box. Just go through that link so that you can easily understand how to create a nested tree map. So to do that, just click on show me option. Just control click on region and we'll do profit. Okay. Then click on tree map. Then click just drag and drop product subcategory to color. Okay. See, this is the nested tree map. Okay. See, each side has 4 regions. You just click on binder side. You can see the binder has east region, west region, central region and south region. Just untake it, click on chairs. It has also west region, east region, central region and south region. Okay, so you can easily identify the binders and binder accessories. In east region has profit of 35,101. In west region binder and binder accessories has profit on 7,706. In central region it is 12,478. And in south region it has 4,012. You can just do one thing also, just drag and drop profit into level. Okay. See, so this is the nested tree map. It's done now. I'll just rename this sheet nested tree map. Okay. Just bold it, make it as red. Central, apply. Okay. Format the title. Shading blue, border blue, border as black. Okay. Then if you want to format this sheet, just click on format, click on worksheet, make it as thin, black, bold. Okay, now it's done. The nested tree map is done now. That's all for this video. I hope you understood. Thank you. And if you like my video, then do like, comment and subscribe to our channel. So after the video is over, I will ask questions. So to answer, open my channel and go to the community section and answer all these quiz so that I will know how much you have understood.